My name is Luis Salgado. I've been in the industry for about 30 years plus. Pretty much I started with basic understanding of the diesel industry. Started from washing trucks to being a tire guy, being a battery guy, graduated from diesel technology. And now we have our own shop here in Otay Mesa, which I'm honored to say that I have a group of guys that I trained.
Hello, my name is Raul. I am from San Diego, California, and I'm the lead tech here at LTEK. First thing, we come into the shop, clock in, we meet together, have a quick meeting, trying to solve all the difficult jobs that no one else could. I'm proud to do it. I'm happy to help.
We were founded back in 2018 from Luis Salgado, and we started just with a small shop. And since then, we've been having exponential growth, specifically in the Southern California area and in the diesel industry. We've been providing services all across the range of heavy-duty equipment for semi-trucks, for fleet operators, and truck owners. We do services such as engine repairs, oil services, and diagnostics. You pretty much name it, and we got it here at LTEK.
Oh, we've proven time and time again to be able to fix the most difficult problems. We get it right the first time. And quality work.
We've actually got the formula to make this industry work better, get these trucks running accurate, downtime, making it be more efficient. We take pride in what we do. We're honest, got integrity in this shop. That's where we all started. Trust the journey with LTEK Diagnostics. Yeah.